Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you the live captions and transcription features on the Motorola Edge 70 Pro. I'll first open the settings and scroll down to the accessibility features. Then you need to find live caption and tap it. How enable live caption. Now you can select language, and add yours. Enable or disable the Suggest Detected Languages option. Here you can manage caption preferences like show captions, caption size, and style. Here, language. Expressive captions add styles to captions to better convey tone and labels on speech sounds. Here we can enable the Hide Profanity option. Profanity should be replaced with an asterisk symbol. Live caption volume control, we can enable or disable it. And here, live caption calls, type responses during calls and voice for type responses. Now as you can see, we don't have many more options, just text to speech, but that's not what you wanted. You wanted transcription, so if this is enabled, we can open YouTube. Here, some video for example, let me search for any video. I hope I won't get any ad. So for example, let me open the video, this one. Now we can open the full screen. As you can see, it works. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments section down below. That's it. Goodbye.